Hi everyone, it's your girl Designer Soapbox and I am back with another video. So in today's video is really serious, guys. I'm going to talk about identity theft on the black market website surveillance. So I have this guy here, looks like a criminal in stealing someone's card information or someone's credit card. And that's no joke. That's definitely no joke, especially during the times that we are in today. So let's talk about it. So what is the black market, right? Black market is basically when someone posts your information on the dark web and they're selling your information. So 𝐕𝐼𝐼𝐼𝐿 gives out alerts when your identity has been put on the black market. So it can be a little bit scary when you get those alerts saying that your information has been put on the black market. And you're like, what the heck? Like what? You're just confused, you're scared, you're wondering if someone hacked your computer, your phone. How did someone get my information? And why me, right? A lot of people also get the alerts from their Discover card. And there are a couple of other websites that give out alerts to know that if your information has been stolen. Okay? Someone may have sold your information. That's why it's on the black market, because the black market is used to buy and sell stuff that you cannot do legally on the internet. So that's why it's called the dark web. So if you post your information on social media apps, a lot of hackers can take that social media stuff that you put on your contact information, your real name. I know it's just so sad. Stuff that's very personal, and they can use that to learn more about you. If they're a really good hacker, they can really just figure it out, right? Also, a lot of information has been on the black market because Equifax had a recent credit bureau breach and a lot of information had been stolen. So you may have gotten alerts that your information had been on the black market, right? That's basically the black market, and those are a little bit of reasoning behind why your information has been put on the black market. Now, it can be much more, but we may never know how they got your information, right? There are tons of cases that are still, pending or still open from years ago that we may never know what happened to your information. So we just want to learn about how to avoid your information being leaked and how to avoid any frauds and scams in your information. So tip number 1 is locking your credit report, which I have some videos on how to lock your credit report, but you want to make sure you do that if you're not applying for any new credit. You can also freeze your credit report, which means that no one can access your credit report until you unfreeze it. So this goes for you applying for new credit. This goes for lenders or banks or anything that you apply for in your name. No one can access it. So that means that if someone does use your name and social security number, it's going to automatically deny them, lock them out. No one can access it until you yourself unfreezes it, right? So that's a good way to avoid any frauds or scams to get in control of your personal information. You can also change your passwords daily, if not weekly. It all depends on your personal preference, but try not to keep the same passwords for everything. Try to switch it up just for the sake of, your protection. You want to also keep track of the websites you visit, making sure that they're not compromised. You want to make sure that they are secure and they don't look, like a website that can be hacked or a website that just asks you for tons of information and doesn't seem too legit, because there are tons of websites out there. And as a web developer, trust me, don't be fooled by the websites. There are tons of websites that will trick you into information, that will trick you into that will, trick you into information by feeding off your emotion. So you don't want to, put your information on websites. Like, just be careful, be cautious. Also, a good thing to do is use a VPN when you're on the web, so that can secure yourself, your IP address, and your information. Because a hacker, all they need is an IP address, and boom, your information is just there. Like, they have everything. So you want to just protect yourself when surfing the web, okay? This is key: reading fine print when giving companies your personal information. So this even goes with credit cards. You want to make sure that you are giving your information to legit companies. There are a lot of credit card companies that are brand new or just seem, scammy. I'm not going to say any, but there are tons of them that just don't have a great rep. So when applying for credit or giving their information, you want to just check them out, check their resume, do some research, see if they're the type of person that sell your information. Now, most companies sell your information, but you want to make sure that that you can either opt in or opt out, right? And you have the say so. Hey, you can sell my information, or hey, you can't sell my information, right? You want to have control of that. Also, don't give someone your social security number over the phone, okay? If it's not something that I understand that you have to give your social security sometimes over to the credit bureaus, which the credit bureaus should change that. I think that they should really change that because you don't know who's working for these credit bureaus, which they should really change that. I really strongly think they should change that. Because like for instance, Sprint, when you call Sprint, you're not allowed to give them your credit card information. You have to actually press it on your phone. So I think they should enforce that, but that's another video for another day. However, I would not give someone that you don't know social security over the phone, right? People call all the time about, hey, you want to take out this loan? Hey, I'm student loan, or hey, I'm this and this and that. And they're not that, right? You don't want to give them your social security number over the phone. People can track you and they can kind of make up stuff. Never click on suspicious links, text, or email. So this is really key because a lot of people have suspicious emails that are getting sent to them. So say for instance, a big one is PayPal. There are a lot of PayPal scams out there that will send an email that looks like PayPal, like template or PayPal email, and they may ask for like your social security number or just personal information. And PayPal doesn't ask for that information through email. Okay, you have to either call them or you have to put that information on their PayPal portal, right? So you just want to make sure that you're not, clicking on stuff that will, get your information compromised. Also, I highly recommend don't attach your phone numbers to your social medias, or, if you're a business, then use your business, phone number, but don't attach your personal phone numbers to your social medias. There are people out there that can hack you, and there are people that can just easily go to your social media, take your phone number, search your phone number, find out a lot of stuff, or send stuff, or clone the phone. That's all types of things, right? You can just do tons of stuff that people don't know. So you just want to be cautious of it. I know it's so unfortunate that we have to do it this way, but hey, it's the internet, it's 2020. People are out there to get you. Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express ink removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually.
If you're tired of disputing your late payments waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.